Understanding Herbal Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, herbal workshop. This video is designed to help you understand its meaning, usage, and context. So, let's dive into this interesting phrase and see what we can learn. Herbal workshop is a compound noun made up of two words, herbal and workshop. Herbal. This adjective describes something related to herbs, which are plants used for flavoring, food, medicine, or perfume. Workshop. A noun that refers to a meeting or a space where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. So, when combined, herbal workshop refers to a special meeting or space where people learn about or work with herbs. The phrase, herbal workshop, can be used in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Educational setting. A class or course where you learn about different herbs, their properties, and how to use them. 2. Health and wellness. A session focused on making natural remedies or beauty products using herbs. 3. Culinary arts. A cooking class that emphasizes the use of herbs in recipes. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the full meaning of the phrase. Participating in an herbal workshop can be beneficial for various reasons. Learning about nature. It offers knowledge about the natural world and the use of plants. Skill development. You acquire new skills like making herbal remedies or cooking with herbs. Health and wellness. It often focuses on natural, holistic approaches to health. These workshops can be both educational and enjoyable. We hope this video has helped you understand what herbal workshop means and how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the culture and context behind them. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you in our next video.